Now let's move on to the next topic, mirror formula. We know about object distance, image distance and focal length. Object distance denoted by small letter u. It is the distance of the object from the pole. Vs image distance, the distance of the image from the pole. And f denotes focal length. It is the distance of the principal focus from the pole. And mirror formula connects these three physical quantities. It connects between u, v and f. And it is given by 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is our mirror formula. And this can also be written as cross multiplying. We get u plus v divided by uv is equal to 1 by f, or uv divided by u plus v is equal to f. And while substituting the numerical values of this u, v, f and r in mirror formula, we must use the Cartesian sign conventions. Now we will see another equation for magnification. Look at this figure. AB denotes the object, A dash B dash is its image. As you can see, there is change in the size. In this case, the size of the image is diminished. Depending upon the position of the object, the size of the image will be different. In some cases it will be diminished, in some other cases we'll get an enlarged image, and in some cases we also get the size of the image just same as the size of the object. So how can we relate these two things, that is height of the object and height of the image? It is given by this equation for m. M denotes magnification, and it is given by height of or size of height of image by height of object. Hi by ho. Height of image by height of object is equation for magnification. So in this particular case, let us assign sign for this object height and image height. What is the sign of height of image? Since it is in the downward direction, it is negative, and height of the object is measured in the upward direction, so it is positive. So the final sign for magnification is negative. So what is the significance of this negative sign? We can conclude that if magnification, the answer is a negative value, then it denotes an inverted image. There is one more equation for magnification in terms of object distance and image distance. It is given by minus v by u, negative of image distance to the object distance. Then after measuring these values and after assigning the sign, if the final answer is less than 1, what can be concluded from this value, which is less than 1? If magnification is less than 1, then it denotes a diminished image. If magnification m is greater than 1, then it corresponds to an enlarged image. If m is equal to 1, then it denotes height of the image is just same as height of the object. So this is about magnification.